Hello TikTok, just to preface this video, there will be a trigger warning when showing graphic content. So for some background information, I am a medical professional. So what I have here today is a mummified fetus that was aborted at about 12 weeks. As you can see here, it is about 2.5 inches in length, which is the average size for a fetus at 12 weeks. And you can see here the facial features were just starting to form. Unfortunately, the mother did not want to keep the baby. But I do have it saved for research purposes.
Yes! Lesbians kicking the Trump sign! Yes! Uh-oh, gay foot! Ah!
C stands for cactus, and T stands for tree. What does PH stand for? Now that I've got your attention, I wear striped shirts. I have muscles on my arms, and I use them to strangle zebras. I'm a zookeeper, but not a good one. I enjoy long walks on the beach. And kids in my basement. I stink. I don't shower. It's not that hard to impress me. Anxiety, I'm a deviant. Impress me.
Delusion in our heads is gonna bring us to our knees. So come on, let it go.
I'm just trying to hit it by the end of the night, Lamar. I'm so bad. And
I just wanna feel your body right next to mine all night long, baby, slow down.
Hey guys.
I still see shadows in my room. Can't take back the love.
dice que se subió aquí y que se subió aquí y tomó la foto.
Sí la tomé.
They tried to put me on the cover of Vogue, but my legs were too long. Every day is leg day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thighs.
I know you belong to someone else but new. But tonight, you belong to me.
Lately I begin to shake for no reason at all.
I found an old NFL helmet. Brett, did you know your grandma used to play for the Chiefs?
I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should have held you tight, I never should have let you go. I didn't know nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish, I was lying to myself. I could not fathom that we'd ever be without your love. Never imagined I'd be
Me like a ray of sun burning through my darkest night. You're the... That was